Hi guys, we are here in Avonlee Estate in Brabham. I'm Nicolai from Build with Nick, and we are in the episode 10 of our key handover series. How exciting it is, and thank you guys for watching our key handover series for the past year. As you might know, we've been here 2 times already in episode 2 and episode 9 key handover episode, and you can always watch that in our YouTube channel. We are in the Avonlee Estate. Previously, we have mentioned that this estate provided a lot of amenities like public school, private school, from primary school and secondary school. There's a lot of parks along the way, and there's an upcoming shopping center mainly in Avonlee Estate. The good thing about Brabham as well is they're going to develop the Morley to Ellenbrook train station, which is going to be a good added value in the Brabham estate or around the Swan Valley area. Alright, a bit information with the house and land size. It is a 375 square meters land area, while the house area or the roof area is 204 square meters. The block configuration, we have the traditional 12.5 by 30 size, and it is one of our Dansboro design. However, the client customized it based on their own preference. Alright guys, so we are inside the house. The good thing about this house is they have a very minimal hallway. However, it has a spacious hallway, which is 1.3. The reason being they wanted to have a minimal hallway is because they want to allocate that extra space to the common area or to the other part of the house. On my right hand side, we have the garage, which can fit 2 4x4 cars because it has 28 core ceiling and it is 5.8 by 5.8 size. On my left hand side, we have the beautiful master bedroom, which is 3.5 by 3.5, but it has 2 walk-in closet, not 1 but 2 walk-in closet. It has an ensuite toilet and bathroom as well, and all of the rooms are carpeted. As you might notice, they really did a good job picking the right tiles or flooring for this house because they pick a vinyl plank with a wood design that really complements well with the modern slick design of their house. Alright, we are in the master bedroom. Like I said, we have 2 massive walk-in closet, both left and right. So I'm assuming the client has pretty much a huge plan for her clothes and etc. So you might notice as well, we have a Venetian blinds instead of the typical vertical blinds. They've chosen the black Venetian blinds, which really complements well with the flooring color that they've chosen. They really did a good job. Alright guys, before we go to the common area, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like that video, and comment below if you have any question or clarification or any video that you want me to do. Alright, this is your common area. As you can see, we have the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. Along with the living room and the dining room, they're approximately 4.5 by 7. We have I would say a slick modern kitchen. We have a black design and a bench top which is about 2 meters wide on length and about 1 meter wide for the bench top. The room or the common area is 31 core ceiling, and we have a few cupboards along the way, and we have a walk-in pantry on this area. Nice design. Alright guys, we are done in the common area. We are here in bedroom 2, 3, and 4. And there's spacious hallway. In terms of hallway, it is 1.3 width, and the length is, I would say, about 3.5 or 4. The good thing about this is they really separated the master bedroom and the other bedroom 2, 3, and 4 to have their own space. I believe the client is planning to rent the bedroom 2, 3, and 4 and have their own space in the master bedroom. In terms of the size of the rooms, they are 3.8 by 3, and they all have a Venetian blinds, sliding robe, and carpeted as well. We have the I would say the linen where you can put in your bed sheet, etc. And we have the IT nook on this side. Alright guys, we are nearly finished with this house tour, but before we go outside and reveal the big secret about this house is let's go through the laundry area. As you can see, it's very spacious, approximately 2 meters by 3. They have a very long bench top and a lot of cupboards to put in. I do like the design that they went to, a wood design with a bit of a slick modern carpeted flooring or tiles. They really did a good job in terms of picking the right design and how it complements very well. Opposite of the laundry area, we have the guest bathroom and the guest toilet, which is separated for their own choices as well. Alright guys, before we proceed in the alfresco and backyard area, before I forget, this house, they have a skirting as well. That is a good way of designing your house. I will show you a video on how did they put the skirting, or what does it look like when you have a skirting inside your house. Anyway, we are in the alfresco area. It is 3.7 by 2.8 and we have a space for the barbecue cooking materials, which is on this left hand side. Yeah, that is their alfresco. However, we have a massive backyard. Our backyard is approximately 12.5 by 8 meters. So that is quite spacious. And I believe the client has a massive plan on how they're gonna renovate or make this one as an entertaining backyard. Obviously, the laundry is there's a way out going to the backyard. It has a sliding door. Up until here is their backyard. Up until here. Up until here. We're not done yet. Up until here. I mean, yeah, that is a massive backyard and I'm very excited on how the client will develop this backyard. And yeah, I'm hoping that I can get some photos once they renovated or improve this backyard. Alright. Alright guys, that's it for our episode 10 of our key handover series. I would like to say thank you so much for watching my video starting from the episode 1 and up until here. I can't believe that we managed to finish 10 episodes in our key handover, and we are not done yet. There's a lot of houses that are currently built in. There's ongoing houses with my other clients. So we have more than 20 houses. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and if you have any question or clarification that I might have missed in the video, feel free to comment below. I would really appreciate your feedback and other insights that I can improve my videos. Anyway, stay safe and I will see you in our next episode. Bye!